Dear freshers and students, an excellent news for you for excellent opening in US top 100 artificial intelligence startups to look out for in 2021. Artificial intelligence latest news. It is by Analytics Insight August 30, 2021. I am giving the awareness service for you all. Once you master the artificial intelligence, the concept of digitalization will be taken over by different tasks. And today, with the help of the big data, advanced technologies like automation, artificial intelligence, IoT, and machine learning are leveraging unimaginable amounts and types of information to work from. So, get ready with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a combination of two amazing concepts, namely science and engineering. With the infusion of distracted trends and human intelligence, intelligent machines and intelligent computing programs are emerging. Slowly, the flare of innovations moved away from IT and entered into diverse industries. In this video, we are going to see the 100 startups in US, the top 100 artificial intelligence. Number one is 8 top US headquarters. It is founded in 2010. Focus area artificial trading software, automated AI software. Try in this sector, dear freshers and students. Get ready with artificial intelligence skills. And this is wonderful, the number one company. Next is Acrade, and focus area is nothing but artificial intelligence, deep learning, medical AI software. For this company has a futuristic solution to help with accurate and fast image processing. The company has made X-ray processing more convincing ways in a simpler way. Its significant products are ready. Next, you can think about this company, the third company, Strab, founded in 2017. The focus area influencer marketing, data-driven marketing solutions, big data. So it is more focusing in the areas of marketing with the cutting-edge computer vision algorithms on social media posts. So very good opportunity for you in marketing areas using artificial intelligence. The next company is called Affirm. Again, it is headquarters in California, founded in 2012. Focus area artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. If you are thinking of buying a new product or shop for a necessary dress or go on a trip but has funding issues, then this company can help you with installment loans and other facilities. So this is another interesting company. Next company, it is called Reverier. This headquarters is in New York. Focus area artificial intelligence, big data, machine learning. And it is an innovative platform that leverages data to train machine learning algorithms which could eventually enhance machines' understanding of the world. The company offers a suite of synthetic data and vision APIs to help. The next company, the sixth company, with headquarters in Israel, founded in 2016, is called ADOC, and focus area is image analysis, artificial intelligence, and the sector is nothing but health care. So, founded in 2016, the company supports and enhances the impact of radiologists' power by helping doctors to expedite the patient treatment and improve the quality. The next is Aira, the headquarters in California, and focus area sector is computer software. Focus areas are wearable software and assistive technology. Over 300 million visually impaired people around the globe. This is giving a very good service anytime and anywhere. This is also a key area using artificial intelligence. The next company, with a headquarters in Israel, founded in 2014, focus area is automated drones. sector mining, seaport, oil and gas, industrial fisheries. So, in different sectors, artificial intelligence is applied. So, you are going to see the list of 100 companies like this I am going to give, and go through all the companies, and the freshers and the students can upskill yourself in these sector areas, in this domain area using artificial intelligence. This company is ISRA, and it was founded in 2017. Its focus area is artificial intelligence service desk, AI customer service, conversational AI, etc. like that, with the headquarters in California. The next we are going to see the 10th company, that is known as Lation, headquarters in US, California, founded in 2012. And focus area is nothing but data governance, analytics, cloud transformation, digital transformation, data OPS, business analytics, data science. Sector, the finance, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, retail, and so on. Golden opportunity for you all